How to activate Marketplace in Facebook. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is interested in activating Facebook Marketplace and utilizing Facebook Marketplace, you can do that in a few simple and easy steps. To do this, simply head on over into facebook.com. Once you head on over into facebook.com, click on Marketplace on the left. And just like so, you have Facebook Marketplace. So we have access to Facebook Marketplace. You don't need to do any activation or anything like that. Once you click on Marketplace, you can go into the buying tab if you're looking to buy, and you can go into the selling tab, and you can click on Browse All to browse the products. On the bottom left, you will have the option for location, so you can select the location and the radius around which you're looking to purchase items. So you can put a specific location and choose the radius, because obviously sometimes you're going to have to do your own pickup, you're going to have to meet the seller halfway, something along those lines. So for that purpose, choose a distance that you're comfortable traveling with, and then you can search in different categories and look for different types of product. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like.